Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today I've included all the Rolls-Royce scale models from my collection, and I have these three: Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Phantom Coupe and Ghost. All three are very well detailed and looks ultra realistic. The Phantom Coupe and Ghost is made by Coupe. The Cullinan is a Rolls-Royce dealer edition. I will also try to provide the purchase links. And if you are not already, you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So let's get back to the video.